Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw something really simple. Let's draw a little baby dinosaur. So here's my full pencil sketch, sped up, and then right after this, I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so here's my sketch, and let's draw in this cute little dinosaur. So to begin, we're drawing his eyes first. Just gonna draw the bottom right here. Just one little curve on the bottom, and then we'll just go up. Just kind of round it out. And then now for the eyeballs inside, just gonna draw a circle kind of touching the bottom. And then I'm gonna add one circle here. That's gonna be my highlight. And let me shade around it. Alright, so once you have this, we're going to draw in the skull right on the bottom of the eye right here. Just come out. I'm just going to draw one curve going all the way up. Just kind of go out a little bit more on this side toward the back of the head. Okay, so once you have this, now we can draw in the snout area. So this part's a little bit easier. It's just gonna be one big circle right here. It's almost like a full circle, but we'll just stop short. Just come back up here around the eye area. And then right on the tip right here, just add one little curve. That's gonna be the corner of the mouth. And then to finish up the bottom of the mouth, just draw one curve. Alright, and then now let's see, we can add in one little dot right here for the nostril. Okay, so now that we have the head, we're going to continue down to the body. So I'm going to continue with this curve. Just kind of come back in and curve out. Right on the bottom mouth right here. Just come down, that's going to be the neck. And then now we can draw in the body. Okay, so I'm going to start on the front right here. Curve. That's gonna be the chest area, and I'm gonna draw one of his legs. Just come down, curve across right around here, and then just go back up. That's gonna be one of his legs, and then let's draw one more. Okay, continue with this curve right here. This one's gonna be slightly smaller. Once we have these legs, let's go ahead and finish up the body. So we're gonna come back up here. This one's gonna go up to right around here. And then we're gonna start dipping down. This is gonna be his tail. And I'm just gonna give it a little bit of waviness to it. All right, so we're gonna come back to the bottom. Continue this. We're gonna curve up. Just make it skinnier, and then just close it off. All right, and then let's see, we can add in some details, but let's go ahead and finish up the front leg right here first. Okay, so this one's gonna be going forward. So I'm gonna start on the bottom right here. Curve out this way. And then let's see, let's just close it off with a curve going this way. Alright, so now that we have the body, let's go ahead and add in some details. So let's see, let's add in toenails right here. Just draw one curve, and then let's see on the back here, one more. So same thing here, let's draw a bigger one right here, and then a smaller one behind it. Same thing here. Alright, so let's give it a line all the way around, all the way across the tummy right here in the back. So I'm just going to close this off. Just kind of continue with this line. Just go all the way to the back. Alright, and then let's see, if you want to add in some details, you can add in these stripes as well. So this one's easy. I'll just make it smaller as we go back. And let's add 3 more here. So I'm going to start right here in the center, and then 1 on each side. And that is it for this baby dinosaur. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.